Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this super easy crochet stitch which can be used for cushions and for any of your projects. So let's get started. I have my yarn and I have my new hook, which is 3.5 mm. I'm going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then I'm going to make single crochet in each of these stitches. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So from here, we're going to chain 3, yarn over 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, yarn over 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, yarn over 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. You can see how it's going to look like. Yarn over, yarn over 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. yarn over, chain 1, come right over here in this loop, go through, make 1 double crochet, then I'm going to chain 3 and then yarn over, come over here. You can see this is the space right there, then come right over here, chain 1, same process, going to come right space there, yarn over, bring into this space here, I'm going to go right over there, right inside there, chain 1, yarn over to come right inside here, and then right there, chain 1, yarn over inside this space, as you can see this is how it's going to look like. So we'll make one more row of this, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, I'm going to come in this space here, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, come right in center of the cross stitch, again chain 1, yarn over, again in the same stitch, yarn over in the same stitch, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, and chain 1, yarn over inside the space, and chain 1, As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So we have made a chain of 15, a single crochet. Then when we come over here, when we turn around our work, we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and come over here, make 3 double crochet, then chain 1, skip 3, and here in the one we'll make 3 double crochet and continue. Then here we're going to make 3 double crochet, and we're going to make in this first one a double crochet. Then again we're going to make another double crochet on crossing this way in this space here. So this is how it's going to look like finally. So I continue this pattern. So as you can see, it's the same pattern. So I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.